Hey everyone, Noah with North Carolina Trailer Sales. I'm at our Thomas Hill location today and I have a few discounted units that I want to go over with y'all. Alright, so first here we have a 6x10 enclosed made by Quality Cargo. It is your deluxe model. So you do have your slanted V nose as well as your spoiler on the back. At the front here, you do have your 2,000 pound top line jack, 2-inch coupler, safety chains, and 4-way flat pin connector. As we step around, you can see that this is a single axle unit, rated for 3,000 pounds. That is a non-braking axle, but you do have your full-size radial tire with your easy grease fitting right behind this cap here. As we step back, this unit does have a ramp with your transition flap, and it is spring assisted. As we step inside, you do have your 6-foot interior height. And like I mentioned before, this is a V-nose unit, so you do get around that 22 extra inches on top of that 10-foot. As we step back out, you can take a better look at this unit all the way around, as well as the spoiler on the back. This unit does have a side door, as well as your on the side flow-through vents. This is just one of the many discounted units we have here on sale.